Welcome to this Luxurious Motorhomes YouTube channel. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling us which of these motorhomes is your absolute favorite. In today's video, we're diving into the top 3 most luxury motorhomes of 2026. So let's get started. Toyota Motorhome. At number 3, we have the Toyota Motorhome, a masterpiece from the Japanese automotive giant Toyota. Known worldwide for reliability and innovation, Toyota has stepped into the luxury motorhome market with a design that blends cutting-edge technology with timeless comfort. This motorhome is crafted in Japan, but designed with a global audience in mind, especially families in the United States who crave both adventure and elegance. From the outside, the Toyota Motorhome immediately makes a statement. Its sleek aerodynamic body, futuristic LED light strips, and bold chrome accents give it a commanding presence on the road. The exterior is not just about looks, it's engineered for efficiency, with solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof to power essential systems. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The TV lounge area is the heart of this Toyota Motorhome. Imagine walking into a space where soft leather recliners face a massive 65-inch 4K smart TV, complete with surround sound speakers hidden in the walls. The lighting is ambient, customizable to your mood, whether you want a cozy movie night with the family or a bright, cheerful space for kids to play. A built-in minibar with chilled drinks sits discreetly in the corner, making this lounge the perfect spot for relaxation. Now let's move to the bedroom. This is where Toyota has truly outdone itself. The bedroom feels like a romantic getaway on wheels. A king-sized bed with memory foam mattress, silk sheets, and soft golden lighting creates an atmosphere that's both luxurious and intimate. Imagine lying down after a long day of travel, holding your loved one close while the panoramic skylight above lets you gaze at the stars. It's not just a bedroom, it's a dream space designed for connection and comfort. The kitchen is equally impressive. Designed for families who love to cook, it features a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. The countertops are made of polished marble, and the cabinets are finished in glossy wood with soft close technology. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, this kitchen makes cooking on the road feel like cooking in a luxury home. The toilet area is nothing short of a spa, with heated floors, a rainfall shower, and touchscreen controls for water temperature and lighting. It feels like stepping into a high-end hotel bathroom. The walls are lined with Italian tiles, and the vanity mirror has built-in LED lighting for that perfect glow. Finally, the driver cockpit. This is where Toyota's engineering brilliance shines. The cockpit is futuristic, with a digital dashboard, AI-assisted navigation, and a steering wheel that feels like it belongs in a spaceship. The seats are ventilated and massaging, ensuring the driver enjoys the journey as much as the passengers. A small TV screen is mounted near the dashboard, perfect for quick entertainment during stops. Back to the exterior. This motorhome is priced around $1.2 million, making it a serious investment for those who want the best. Rumor has it that celebrities like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson have shown interest in Toyota's luxury motorhome, drawn by its blend of rugged reliability and unmatched comfort. For families, it's the perfect balance of practicality and indulgence. BMW Motorhome. At number 2, we have the BMW Motorhome, a German marvel that takes luxury to the next level. BMW has always been synonymous with performance and elegance, and their 2026 motorhome is no exception. Built in Germany, this motorhome is designed for those who want to travel with the same prestige they feel driving a BMW sedan or SUV. The exterior is bold and futuristic, with BMW's signature kidney grille reimagined for a motorhome. Sleek lines, adaptive headlights, and a metallic finish make it look like a moving piece of art. The roof features retractable solar panels, and the sides have hidden compartments for outdoor kitchens and entertainment systems. Step inside, and you're greeted by a TV lounge area that feels like a private cinema. Plush recliners with built-in massage functions face a massive OLED screen. The sound system is engineered by Harman Kardon, delivering crystal-clear audio that makes every movie night unforgettable. The lounge also features a panoramic window, so you can enjoy breathtaking views while relaxing indoors. The bedroom is pure romance. A floating bed design with underlighting gives the illusion of sleeping on air. The walls are upholstered in soft suede, and the ceiling features a starlight effect mimicking the night sky. Imagine lying here with your partner, soft music playing, and the gentle hum of the motorhome in the background. It's the kind of luxury that makes every night feel special. The kitchen is a chef's paradise. With stainless steel appliances, a smart refrigerator that suggests recipes based on what's inside, and a wine cooler stocked with your favorite bottles. This kitchen is designed for indulgence. The countertops are quartz, and the backsplash features LED lighting that changes color to match your mood. The toilet area is equally luxurious. A walk-in shower with chromotherapy lighting, a heated toilet seat, and even a built-in sound system make it feel like a spa retreat. Every detail is designed to pamper you. The driver cockpit is a masterpiece of German engineering. A fully digital dashboard, voice-activated controls, and autonomous driving features make long journeys effortless. The steering wheel is wrapped in fine leather, and the seats are designed for maximum comfort. A small entertainment screen ensures the driver never feels left out. On the exterior again, the BMW Motorhome is priced at around $2 million. It's a status symbol, and celebrities like Leonardo DiCaprio are rumored to be eyeing this model for eco-friendly luxury travel. With its blend of performance, sustainability, and elegance, the BMW Motorhome is perfect for families who want to travel in style while making a statement. Ferrari Motorhome. And finally, at number 1 we have the Ferrari Motorhome, the crown jewel of luxury travel in 2026. Ferrari, the Italian icon of speed and style, has stunned the world by entering the motorhome market. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling supercar mansion. From the outside, the Ferrari Motorhome is breathtaking. With its aerodynamic curves, signature red finish, and prancing horse emblem proudly displayed, it looks like no other motorhome on the planet. The exterior design screams speed and luxury, with carbon fiber accents and retractable side panels that reveal outdoor lounges. Inside, the TV lounge area is pure extravagance. Italian leather sofas, a 75-inch Ultra HD screen, and a surround sound system tuned by Bose create an atmosphere of cinematic perfection. The lounge also features a glass wall that can turn opaque at the touch of a button, offering both privacy and panoramic views. The bedroom is the most romantic of all. A round bed with velvet upholstery, mood lighting that shifts with your heartbeat, and a ceiling that projects constellations make it feel like a honeymoon suite on wheels. This is where Ferrari combines passion and luxury, creating a space that feels both intimate and grand. The kitchen is designed for gourmet experiences. With top-of-the-line appliances, a smart oven that cooks meals to perfection, and a marble island with built-in seating, it's a space where families can gather and create memories. The wine cellar, stocked with fine Italian wines, adds an extra touch of class. The toilet area is a spa sanctuary, with a jacuzzi tub, rainfall shower, and gold-plated fixtures. It's the kind of bathroom you'd expect in a luxury penthouse, not a motorhome. Every detail, from the heated towel racks to the scented air system, is designed to indulge your senses. The driver cockpit is straight out of a Ferrari supercar. A racing-inspired steering wheel, digital dashboard, and carbon fiber accents make it feel like you're driving a Formula One car. The seats are bucket-style with full support and comfort, ensuring the driver feels the thrill of Ferrari even on long journeys. Back to the exterior. The Ferrari Motorhome comes with a jaw-dropping price tag of around $3.5 million. It's the ultimate status symbol, and celebrities like Cristiano Ronaldo and Kim Kardashian are rumored to be interested in owning one. For families who want the absolute best, This motorhome is the definition of luxury on wheels. And before we wrap up, don't forget once again, hit